Hi, my name is Samantha. I'm doing my project on a facility called CORE or El Centro. CORE or El Centro is a nonprofit organization that offers natural healing and wellness services in English and Spanish. They work with children as well as adults. They have a kids program that aims to improve health of children by increasing physical activity, proper nutrition, building healthy relationships through collaborative and creative activities, teaching stress management, emotional awareness, and self care techniques. So, they do these improvements through a couple of activities that I'll explain in just a little bit. So, for daily schedules, I know it's a little bit confusing how I wrote down a PowerPoint, but I'm going to try to explain it better. So, for example, the kids program, let's say your child is enrolled and you get your schedule, and it won't be from a set time from like 8 in the morning till 5 in the afternoon. It's not hour by hour every day. Instead, it's like, oh, your child has a cooking activity on Monday or gardening on Wednesday. All of the only thing that's hour by hour is all of the programs that the facility provides. So the kids cooking could be at 8 a.m. while adults cooking is at 10 a.m. and then Zumba is at 5. So each program isn't individually isn't hour by hour because there's so many programs involved. They do only do one of them per day. So hopefully that explained it a little bit better. Food and nutrition. The classes offered are to show how to prepare healthy meals and have healthy habits. The classes are hands-on instead of just watching somebody cook. So they want to get the clients or participants involved to actually learn how to do it themselves. They also have a rooftop garden where they use fresh herbs and vegetables as well. And the participants also help plant those herbs. They also have honeybees that provide fresh honey, and is also such a great activity for children to learn how the bees interact with the environment and everything around them. Exercises available for children are yoga, meditation, creative movement, children's capoeira, beginners, and intermediate ballet. All the exercises are considered holistic. Holistic means that it consists of physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual well being. It does not solely rely on the physical aspects of exercise. So, the children's capoeira, I read on the bottom, is a system of physical discipline and movement originating among Brazilian slaves, treated as a martial art. Treated as a martial art and dance form. So, what is this exactly? I included a short video demonstrating what the exercise is because when I first read it, I was like, I don't know what that is. So, it's just a short video, so I'm just going to play it. So, here you can see in the background, they're using rhythm, they're clapping their hands, they're beating on the drums. And that's what part of holistic is being. It involves everything. So, using your mind and creativity to make a rhythm and beat to the music and feel it inside your soul, essentially. It's not just bouncing around and kicking. It's using it all together. Your kicking goes to the rhythm, your handstand goes to the rhythm. It's involving everything together. Sorry, I didn't mean to click on that again. Okay, so eligibility. The core itself offers over 20 services to adult and children's. It's based on a sliding scale fee, which requires proof of household income. This allows a lot of accessibility to the community so more people can be involved. Staffing and components. Staffing includes mostly bilingual in Spanish and English, and the components of the core are cooking and nutrition workshops, movement classes, acupuncture, massage, craniosacral therapy, Reiki training, special needs program. So the Reiki or Reiki training is essentially a massage where they believe that you have an aura or a power above your body. So they use their hands to try and center your body and your well-being, essentially. So here's a video about the core. A really nice video. It's a couple of minutes long, so I'm not going to play it. So if you want to click on it and play it, that'd be awesome. It tells you a lot of the program, their goals, and different services that they provide. And I got this video off of their website, and it's on YouTube. The strengths of the program are that they work together as a community. They have organic foods, holistic practices, different programs for adults. They also have programs for adults with special needs and programs for children. So bilingual services make it easier to reach out to more people. The sliding scale fees make it more accessible, and they have nutritional and healthy practices. So some weaknesses are that kind of disappointing that they don't have a program for children who have special needs, just for adults. So the program funding is based on donations, endowments, partnerships, etc., meaning that they do not have a secure financial income in case that there is a shortage of money. So how would I improve the program? I'm going to talk about some of the weaknesses I mentioned before. So I would try to figure out a way to provide services to children with special needs. Now, there may be a reason why they can't do that. I'm not sure why. I know that sometimes you need education or, like I said, higher education to work with children who have special needs. I don't know if that differs from adults. I would also try to establish a way to receive federal government funding or for it to become a government program. I think it offers a lot of great things that would be amazing if they were available in every state. I know part of the rubric was to find something like local, like North Carolina and Tennessee. And although this is based in Wisconsin, I felt the need to talk about it because I have never seen a program like this before. I think it is so unique and encouraging to the community to involve different activities and for it to be so open to the community. So that's why I talked about this today. Hope y'all enjoyed it.